In this video, we are going to see the interview experience of Wilmy M3. This is the experience shared by our friend Sushant. In the upcoming slides, let me see the questions which was faced by our friend Sushant. First, let me see the question called "Tell me about yourself." I already made a video for this. Tell me about yourself. Using that video, you can able to prepare for this question. Now let me jump to the second question. What are your hobbies? For this question, you want to answer like this: like in my free time, I I use my skills like Java, Python to develop applications which will be more interesting. These are my hobbies. Like that, you can say because these type of answers will help you to fetch the job from the interviewer. So don't tell like I love playing cricket, I love to watch TV. You can mention two things about that, like I love cricket and I love watching TV. After that, you want to tell like in my free time I use Java and Python to develop applications, to develop mobile applications. I use these things to explore things and to experiment things. By using this way, you can able to easily impress the interviewer. Now let me jump to the next question. Should hobbies be productive or relaxing? What is your opinion? For this particular question, just take a pen and paper, prepare your own answers. Don't copy from the internet. This is an important thing you should know. Just tell what are answers you are getting at that particular time, or just prepare with pen and paper from now itself. The next question is how memory allocation in Python takes place. This is a technical question. You can search in Google and you can get the accurate answers. The next question is explain about join function in Python with examples. Again, this is a technical question. Basic questions on Python related to strings and lists. You should prepare basics of Python because in many interviews they ask only the basics. If you are well good in basics, then 100% sure you will be selected for the interview or for the job offer or for the internship. So prepare the basics very well. Mostly in Wilmy M3, they are focusing on Java and Python. So prepare these two things very well. Next, displayed a Python code snippet that was on bitwise operators and asked me to predict the output. This is another form of question. They will be giving the code snippet and you want to guess what will be the output for the particular code snippet. If you are well thorough in basics, then definitely you can able to crack these type of questions too. Why there are no pointers in Java? Again, see, mostly they are focusing in Python and Java, so prepare Python and Java very well. Okay. This is another question. We know, right? In Java there is no pointers in Java, and in Python there are no pointers, but in C we have pointers, right? More one or two basic questions on Java, like they will be asking OOPS concepts, they will be asking collections, data types, whatever it may be. They will be asking the basic only from Java. My another suggestion is prepare OOPS very well so that you can able to crack the questions easily, because in many interviews you can see these questions like what is mean by OOPS, what is mean by object, what is mean by class, what is inheritance, what is polymorphism, what is abstraction. These are the OOPS concepts. Mostly in interviews they ask OOPS, so prepare OOPS in both Java as well as Python. Write a Python code to split a given list into two offs and print a list as the output, where the second off of the list should be before the first off in the final output list. I was also asked to execute and show the output. This is another type of programming question where they will be giving the question and you want to frame your code or you want to generate your code for the particular question. This is one type of question they will be asking. There is a direct question they have given. You want to split the list into two, and you want to place the second off of the list in front, and you want to join the list, right? This is what they have given. Again, I'm telling some of the interviews will be asking you what is the programming language you are familiar with. If you know Python very well, choose Python. If you know Java very well, choose Java. In some conditions, the interviewer will be asking write code only in Java or write code only in Python. In such conditions, you may lose marks because you are not well prepared in both Python or Java. What is my suggestion is prepare Python and Java very well so that you can able to crack any type of questions and any type of programming questions as well as the technical questions too. Difference between truncate and delete statements in SQL. This is another important question. Again, I am telling here in SQL there are concepts like data definition language, GDL, DCL, TCL, DQL, DML. These are some of the 5 important concepts in SQL, right? And aggregate functions. Then what I can say, class, joins. These are the important concepts in SQL. So prepare SQL very well so that you can able to crack any type of questions in SQL. Mostly in Wilmium 3 interview, you will be getting questions from Python, Java and SQL. So prepare these 3 languages very well so that you can able to crack the questions easily. Here I am going to say an important note, like if they are asking any questions, basic questions from Python or Java. For an example, let me tell an example of how they will be asking the question. Like explain about the constructor in Java. In such conditions, don't say only the theory, and you also want to add the application related answers like I use constructors in login and logout system registration page for building websites, or else I'll be using the constructor in the welcome page where when the customer enters into the web page, the welcome message will be shown in the web page. Like that, you can add application related answers with that particular question so that you will be getting more marks too, because others may not say like this, they will be saying only the theory. But if you mention like this, they will be thinking that you have the very good knowledge in Java or Python, so you can easily crack the interview. This is an important note I want to say. And also, if you have any queries, you can ask me via the Telegram channel. I'll be giving the Telegram channel link in the description box. Use the Telegram channel if you have any queries, or if you want to know know any answer for any technical questions related to Java, Python, or SQL. You can ask me via the Telegram channel. All the best for your Wilmi M3 interview process. Be confident. You can able to easily crack the interview. All the best.